जाली पळय ते सोदून काडपा पडले. सो आमी ताका टेक्निकली कशें काडटा म्हणटा ह्या वर्सा कांयच तेजेर कमेंट करना.
So what will be your advice to local citizens?
There's no advice. Advice कितें सांगतले? What is to advise? Advice.
सगळे लोक म्हणटा न्हू बुडोवंक शकता म्हणून फ्लडिंग जातले म्हणून पीडब्ल्यूडीक म्हणना
समजना. हांवें आतां सांगलां म्हाजे कडेन तूं स्टेटमेंट काडून घेता. हांव कसो स्टेटमेंट दिवचो ना. तूं कोण लोक तुका विचारता पळय लोकांक तशें सांग हांव स्टेटमेंट दिवंक शकना आतां. इट इज नॉट सी. आय हॅव एश्युअर्ड लायक तुवें लास्ट टायम पॉटोल जाय म्हाका सांगताले पळय. we have done. I have assured her this year potholes will not be there. So same way we will work together next season. We will see where these drains are leading to. लोकांनी आता बिल्डिंग तुका दाखयला मरे पायप घातला आणि रस्त्यार सोडला. आता खंयची पायपां आमकां आता सोदपा पडली खंयची पायपां ते मागीर पीडब्ल्यूडी सुरेश सोडटा म्हणटा.
Where you are taking help from the minister now, what is your assurance to the people of your Pendant city?
In terms of desilting, CCB has already carried out desilting in Settler Valley. We've opened up all the outlets, whatever outlets that we could, we've opened up the outlets on DB Road. Now the flooding situation has happened for a long time. It's not only started in the last couple of years. What we should buy, I've asked the Minister for help also, at least in the years coming forward, we want to completely solve the issue. It will take some time. Even the smart city issue is supposed to address issues like this and everything also. In conjunction with working on other things. It is not going to happen within the 2 years. It's been flooding for like the past 20 years now. So by assuring at least within the next couple of years we want to solve the entire issue. It will take some time, but we'll do it also.
So what happens now in monsoons then?
See, we've done whatever we could at this possible stage. There is nothing more that we can do as of now. So wherever it's possible, we've opened up the roads and we've cleansed those things, even the old Portuguese drains. We are clearing up all those old Portuguese drains because people are under the assumption that if you clear that, it will work. So now we are working on that also. One we've cleared up now. So in the coming year, Minister helps us, we'll get the rest of it done also.
No, but any reason why CCP never took help from PWD, like the minister says about this?
Who asked the previous mayors now? I'm here now only. So now we're asking for his help and now he's
blame don't not blame.
We will work together. I'll be very blunt. There is no assurance about flooding this year. But if we work together for the next year, the following year there will be no flooding. That we can assure you. Okay. Provided there is something. People are sensitive. People should not leave their drain pipes like this. And for that, I will go ahead and त्याचे लाईट आणि उदक डिस्कनेक्ट करतलो. की पीपल आतां दाखयला बरें आता असे कितले जाणांचे कोणाचे आसतले मागीर फक्त आमकां ब्लेम करून जावचें ना. सो तांकां जर लोकांक जर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक जाय इवन इफ दे हॅव डन दॅट लेट अस रेक्टिफाय इट. I will help them to rectify it. People should come forward.
Time and again you are trying your best whatever way you can help CCP. अजूनही पीडब्ल्यूडी म्हणून लोक चिंता आणि पीडब्ल्यूडी क्लेम करतात.
पीडब्ल्यूडी लास्ट न्ही तशें आज सांग हांव कितें भोंवता आमचे चीफ इंजिनियर कितें भोंवता हें म्हजें काम न्ही सांगलां न्ही तेची सुद्दां काम. पूण आतां कितें जाल्यार लोक पीडब्ल्यूडीक ब्लेम करता तर घेता ब्लेम आनी कितें करता ब्लेम लास्ट पॉयंट ऑफ ब्लेम कोणाक म्हाकाच न्ही तेतून घेवपा पडलो. हांव घेता न्ही ब्लेम घेता आनी ताका सोल्युशनूय काडटा. तशें लास्ट टायम पॉटहोलाचेर सांगलेलें पळय अजूनय तुमकां सांगता की ह्या वर्सा आता असे रस्ते फोडून दवरल्या ताका पॉटहोल म्हणना. ताका जर पॉटहोल म्हणपाक लागल्यार हांव नको कित्याक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रस्ते फोडटा स्मार्ट सिटी फोडटा जी सुद्दां फोडटा हे सगळे फोडटा आमी फोडना. सो म्हजें सांगपाचें कितें वी वील वर्क टुगेदर आनी हांवें लोकांक ऑलरेडी सांगलां तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तुका रिक्वेस्ट करता पीडब्ल्यूडी एप डावनलोड करचो प्ले स्टोरांतल्यान आनी फोटो घालचे. आज तुका लायव्ह फीड म्हाका तुका दाखयला कालचे हांव घेतालो. आमी थोडेशे आसा म्हजे रस्ते अजूनय जे होल्स आसा म्हणजे 2 दीस पयलीं वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. तुमच्या मार्फतांतल्यान लोकां कडेन मागला की तुमी आमकां हेल्प करचो. सो वीथ द हेल्प ऑफ रोहीत नेक्स्ट इयर वीथ पीडब्ल्यूडी इफ द रेन्स वील प्लॅन अँड आफ्टर रेन्स आर ओवर वी वील सी हाऊ दीस ड्रेन्स कॅन बी डिसिल्टेड विच पीपल हॅव द इम्प्रेशन पुर्तुगेज टायमार फ्लड जायना पुर्तुगेज टायमार इतली बिल्डींग नाशिल्ली. सो एनी हाव जी पयलींच्यो ड्रेनी आसा हांवें स्वता तेणे पयला हांवें पयला आणि त्याच्या वयल्यान रस्तो मांडला इतलो दाट. सो ताका सगळो काडूंक पडटलो वील वर्क ऑन दॅट.
सर तुम्ही आता इन्स्पेक्शन करायचं आर यू सॅटिस्फाय विथ कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर?
सी लास्ट 4 दीस पयलीं केन्ना येयले प्रॉब्लेम 4 दीस पयलीं 10 तारीख 15. सो 5 days बॅक वी केम वॉट एवर वॉज देर. आता तुम्ही सुरेश पळयना रस्त्यार. सो वॉट एवर ही एडमिट्स सी वी कॅनॉट ब्लेम द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर. सी पीडब्ल्यूडी ऑल्सो डज नॉट हॅव द ड्रॉइंग्स ऑफ द इंटरनल चेंबर्स आणि टेक्निकली ते स्टोन वेअर पायप आमकां कळना. So this type of problem will happen. So Ata he has put his manpower and he has rectified lot of things. Now we are doing the rest of the inspection and I am sure that whatever he has committed he must have rectified. And you can watch it for yourself. There is no sewerage now overflowing. So we assume that the work has been done. But we are here. Even if tomorrow it flows again, we will come back again here and we will hold him responsible and get the work done.
Thank you.
Every time I go to the blame, stop. क्या मेरे पर रस्ते उदय जाता तो बंद तुम्ही करता पडणार એવું તો બંધ કરવા સેકન્ડ સર્વિસ માં સીએસ નો ના પોલીસ નો બરાબર રહેતા વાલે
What happened? Yeah. We have one inspection here. Just now, Mayor told them that there will be flooding also the country because they have put the.
I already sent it to the engineer. It's not considered.
जी सुद्धा जे काम मध्ये
अमन को बुलाना अमन को कंसल्ट
माझा तू असं सरपंच जी सुद्धा कुठे आहे ना
पैसा नहीं आता है
ये कंटिन्यूस चर्च है
जो
मॅन्युअल
मैनुअल असतं काय
न्यू
न्यू आता पाहिजे वो आज हुआ क्लोज केला आम्ही काय काढून नको आहे
ये पानी जा रहा है ना ये पानी जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है
लाइन जा रहा है इसको वोट लाइन है सर यदि हम नया
कट करके उस बाईपास करना उसको
सर अभी नहीं वो पाइप पूरा टुकड़ा हो गया हम लोग यदि मेन लाइन का वो वाटर कनेक्शन मेन लाइन कनेक्शन कराएंगे वो लाइन नहीं करेंगे
फिलहाल भी उनका मेंटेलिटी में ब्लॉक नहीं होना है ना
नहीं।
तो इसको बाईपास लाइन डालो ना अभी थोड़ा सा क्या फर्क पड़ता है
सर वही बोल रहे सर वो लाइन है ना पूरा टुकड़ा ये सर इतना रस्टेड है आप लोग क्या है ना सर अभी लाइन करते हुए क्या है ना सर बाईपास करके मेन
ब्लॉक करने वाले हम
लाइन सितंबर के बाद करना पड़ेगा
मेन लाइन में ये इसका हाउस कनेक्शन है ये हाउस कनेक्शन है ना दो बिल्डिंग
कनेक्शन है अभी हम लोग नया पाइप कनेक्शन दे रहे हैं ना सर वो टाइम करते हुए कर सकते हैं सर अभी जाके उसको तोड़ के देते ही सकते हैं
बाईपास में उनका मेंटेलिटी ऐसा है सब ऐसा ही होता है बाद में
जोडिया होता
नहीं वो पाइप में नहीं सर पानी लगाइए अभी
आप गड़बड़ गलती ना Somebody water is coming in, people are using water. So I have told them that they have to distribute this water. There are 3 more people. There's another pipe. I have shown them in front. Another pipe. Somebody has left a storage pipe on the road only.
Sir, I am issuing 133. Yeah.
All these people arrest them.
I have told sir, I went all the way from there, Shahjahanpur Junction, all the way till there. And whenever, I think line departments are also there. They said the houses are releasing. Making our work also difficult. So now I'm told that I have to go to these specific places, give me the report and issue 133 conditional order.
And discover the water electricity. That's how the people
I have told sir
blaming
today.
me and the government is not going to happen.
No, sir, I'll issue
People have to
133.
be there. And I told them, like if there are 3-4 pipes they walk.
They were showing me today.
Showing me
Yes.
today. So I think they have to do it every minute. As far as this is concerned, now their main line is coming. I think the next 4 days will connect that line to that old line. They have to. Both the sides. So we're working all 3 sides.
Yes.
So, first of this 5-6 days, we're going to do that.
So all efforts we are trying our best. So only thing some of these elements keep coming, some water
So then they
releasing,
blame the
some-
government for this. So I think we will have to connect to
Yes, yes,
connect
yes.
water. If government will give it to, I will see that it is coming water electricity.
I told sir, 133 we are putting whatever power we can invoke, disaster management whatever we can invoke, and also go public health act whatever we can invoke to try to sewage and also this is unhygienic. It's
These
sanitary.
groups, we have to be blamed.
Yes, yes. I'll request the CCP also, sir. Wherever local body powers are,
You instruct
wherever
them
municipal
officially.
powers are also there, they're very powerful.
They're powerful.
What it is? Why are you waiting for me only? I will issue whatever is there.
बंद कर रहे हैं अरे पिरियडिक होता खूप जाता पिरियडिक जाता मानता द्या असली गोष्टी आम्ही देखत नाही त्यामुळे एखादं सोडून फुटबॉल झाले त्याच्यात फूट रेफ्लुएंट ड्युटी त्याच्यानं कनेक्ट होतो नो प्रॉब्लेम बट यू कॅनॉट डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट दिस whoever they have connected आपण त्यांना tomorrow that whoever is connected to storage will disconnect. Fine. Search where it is. तुका खबर आहे मात्र disconnect whatever we discussed. Other issues settle होते झाले ना Getting machine is coming tomorrow.
So that only.
It's under repair, sir, in Honda.
I don't know what is that. Getting machine is what is the issue? Definitely, getting only period is where you want to put a getting machine?
One is cheaper construction.
That is something wrong.
And one is residential.
Kamat Plaza.
Getting you don't need it. Only cheaper construction.
कुसडकर गेटिंग मशीन मला फोन दिला आहे मला तुझं बोललेलं समजा 8 मध्ये तो खाली बरं मैं फाल्यात तू सांचे मला धाडटले अब कन्ना 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 ही कन्ना तुझे कॉन्टॅक्ट पेपर आहे म्हणलं ही कन्ना फाल्या 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 पणजे दनपार म्हणल्यार मशीन पंपा येते गेटिंग मशीन पासिंग आनी तुका पासिंग हांव करपा न्ही पणजेच करपा न्ही ती आतां हांव करून हांव सांगता मग तुवें काम केलां मगे मग तेका पासिंग करपा लागता सकाळी तूं हाड म्हाका फोन कर हांव सांगपा ताका आनी मागीर बेगीच कर कॉल ये कुसडकर यू नो योर नंबर ना टुमारो दोपहर का आएगा दोपहर का आएगा नहीं ड्राइवर है वो आएगा उसको पासिंग का लेके इधर ही पंजी पासिंग करेगा उससे होगा या नहीं होगा पता नहीं होता जटिल फ्री कैन कम मैडम
Yes, yes.